Yo, what's up guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning a couple of things such as what is layout, what is an activity, what are views, and what is a view group. So let's get started. First thing first, what is a layout? Well, if you go to your app or if you're in your projects folder, open your app folder, then go to your app and then go to the source and then go to main and then go to resources folder. What I do is I always keep myself in the Android part so that I am directly in here, and I go to the resources folder and there is a folder called layout. Okay, what is a layout? Layout is this, the look of your app. Okay, then comes an activity, because it says in here activity. Yeah, I can see that there is layout folder in here, but what I see in here is activity. And you are right, this layout is also known as activity, but not alone. The word activity refers to the logic that is in here, the program that you create, the programming that you do. So the logic and the look of your program is known as activity. So this whole thing, when you play it in your Android mobile phone or on your emulator and it does something, when you click on something it does something, that thing is an activity. But this alone, the face of the app, is known as the layout. Okay, then comes the views. What are views? Anything you see in here is a view. For example, this text is a view and we call it a text view. As you can see, this thing is a text view. Then we have something else called button. So this is also a view called button. Okay, and then we have the checkboxes. So this checkbox is a view. So any control or any picture or any text on this white area is known as a view. Okay, simple enough. Then we have a view group. To understand view group, let us go to the official documentation, and if I search for view group in Google, I get to Android developers page, and in here, let us come down and we see that a view group is a special view that can contain other views. That is the main thing that we need to understand. So these view groups are in here in the layout section. The one we are using is called a constraint layout. Means this is a view group, something that contains views, right? So it is a container that can contain other views. Now here is the deal. If you don't have any of these layouts in here or containers in here, you won't be able to put these views on your screen. So you have to have some layouts. The most famous one and the one we are going to be using are the linear layouts and the relative layouts. Then in linear, we have the linear horizontal and linear vertical, and then relative layout. Let me show you how to change the layout. For now, if you come in here, the first thing you see, Android supports constraints, so on and so forth. Just select this and write linear layout. And if you come down in here, you will be able to see that this also changed to linear layout. And in here, you will see that everything is horizontally aligned, means top to bottom aligned. But if you want to change it to not horizontally, vertically, you can come in here for orientation and change it to vertical, and as you can see, everything is aligned vertically. Okay guys, that was all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.